grinds.
Fucking grinded with glass.
Oh, didn't smash. That's good.
I don't know if I was ready to. I just put them
Probably hit up the
some
sand
here
over.
too, look. I might have done there too.
Nah, that's all good.
No, I don't think I touched it.
I had probably hit up the sandpaper, to be honest.
If I put that rest convert shit on there, then I can fuck it. Pardon me. Go from
Yeah, right, slap it on. Made some extractor fans out of some old car radiator fans. They actually work surprisingly well. Just close the door down on them and what you go. Just pull the sunroof out. I'm going to replace it with a glass one, I think. I'm just trying to track one down, but it's all pretty fucked. Yeah. Just getting last few little things done, getting ready, and we'll be doing primer pretty soon. Yeah. All the paint now, blockage sorted.
Don't want to do it. Slide in, sticky paint, bro. Pink paint.
Oh. Yeah. Gotta get sanded anyway.
Bucket dries up in the Northern
Crazy.
It's like ball, bro.
Even while it's still spraying.
Yeah, see? Well, you need more thinners, but you can layer it on.
That's going on. Bit cunty.
Fuck away deep this primer, eh?
Yeah.
Spray ball.
Oh, way. What a legend. Bin bag and all. This is a man who wants to work. Champion. Crazy flooding today. It's like, you can normally drive through here. Like, this is my mate's driveway. Goes across, like, oh, where's my finger? That way. Yeah, no, this is hectic. We had like a couple of days of pretty hectic rain, Coromandel Peninsula. Not getting it as bad as Auckland, but Still, you don't normally see the water up here. Normally there's like a big gravel bar that comes out around here, and there's like sort of shallow spot, and you can drive a normal everyday car across here. This is just like getting closer to us. Hell of a storm, hell of a storm. Normally you like walk down a little bank here, and there's like another gravel bar, and the tree's like not underwater. Far out. Like you wouldn't want to accidentally fall in there. You'd be off on a mission. Wayde reckons they jump in a tyre and just ride it out. Nah.
On the way to get to town?
On the way to get there quick. Possibly dead. Wayde's been going hard. I've been sick with main abscess in my jaw and shit, but Wayde's primed the car and blocked the whole thing down to 240. Like all the dents seem to be gone at this point. Can't see anything anywhere. He's still got a little bit more primer to put on in a few places, and then it'll get sanded to 600, I think, and then yeah, we'll be slapping top coat on it. It's crazy. Like all of that was just rusted scum. Now it's just fresh. Like all of those all rusted out and mint now. Dude works magic. I could have made this car look nice, but he's going to make it look like clean.